friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your curbside video for the week of the 17th to the 22nd of November. Curbside, you're ordering this stuff through the phone, paying for it, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, driving to the store and picking it up. That is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Specifically in this video, we are stacking these two with a lot of success. The 15 back when you spend 60, which is online only, and the 10 back when you spend 10. You can do that one online or in store. It's 25 back when you're spending a basket for 60, which is really fantastic. Alternatively, if you are the kind of shopper that wants to be in-store specifically with register rewards and you're not onto online shopping, yesterday's video linked at the very end, check it out. We are a week away from Thanksgiving, and IBOTTA dropped another freebie from their Thanksgiving dinner. It is the box of Jiffy Corn Muffin Mix for 75 cents. Buy it and then get 75 cents back with IBOTTA. Walgreens is one of the stores. So if you wanted to grab a free box today, just throw it on your IBOTTA list. And if you have not signed up for this magic app, link and referral code in the notes. Sign up today to start saving big money and getting freebies like this one. So this first deal is going to be our only $60 basket. I know that for a lot of people, it's a very daunting number because it's a lot of money right now, and I hear you. But if you wanted to get a lot of P&G products, this would be the way to get a huge basket of items for like $12, stacking these two boosters. So make sure you have them loaded for this deal. And we're just going to jog through everything that you're grabbing. The first is the two Old Spice kits for $29.98. That's half of your basket right there. There was a $2 coupon, but mine since vanished, so I don't know what happened to it. Over on IBOTTA, we have $7.50 back when you buy two. So make sure that you have that rebate. And when you go pick up your order, cashier must run it through a regular register so you get a physical paper receipt. Very important. We also have this best friend, which is the $12.99 Tide with a $3 digital. To make this video extra quick, I'm not showing all the digital coupons, but the coupon is itemized right below. You just press the plus button. One of these Tide Pods for also $12.99 with the $3 digital. Just load that coupon. This is a lot of P&G meat and potatoes items that we're putting into today's basket. So, but who doesn't love all that Tide? And then we're also throwing in one of these plug-in diffusers. So you just use one of those scent oils and throw it in there, and it's like magic for $9.99. And we have a $5 digital with that. So what do they do? $5 digital coupon. And then we're also throwing in one of these Mr. Clean Freaks for $4.99. Original price almost $8. Wow. And we have a $2 digital for that one. And then the final item that we're throwing in our basket to get the numbers to balance is a Dawn Power Wash. And we have a $2 digital for that. So make sure that you have both the $2 for the Power Wash and the Mr. Clean Freak. To show you our gorgeous course line, using the code SALE20, 1220 melting off, and then all of the digital coupons. Look at that, $15 worth. Boom, 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 boom. Amazing. Overall total for this is $75.93. Subtracting that coupon code, the new total is $63.76. So for the spend 60 to earn back 15, you've achieved it. $15 of manufacturers melting off plus your tax, you're going to pay $52.55, and then you're getting back $29, which is $15 for the $60 booster, the additional $10, and then $4 for Old Spice. Remember to use your debit card and then photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for the additional $7.50 back from the Old Spice. It basically makes your basket like $12 and some change for the 7 items, or $1.74 per product, which is fantastic. Yes, a larger out of pocket, but amazing. Don't use any Walgreens cash. Use your debit card for the balance again. Okay, so the rest of the baskets that we're going to look at only go around this one because I know a $60 out of pocket is huge right now, and a lot of people just can't swing it, and I hear you guys. So we're just doing smaller transactions. So we're taking like notes from the last basket and making it a lot smaller with that 10 back when you spend 10. First item we're going to throw in is this friend, which is the $9.99 diffuser with the $5 digital. And then we're going to throw in a Mr. Clean Freak for $4.99. This is just really good meat and potatoes product. So that's why I'm like, guys, stock up, because we don't always get really good deals for both the Power Wash and Mr. Clean Freak. So that's why I would definitely stock up right now. And then one of these power washes as well for $4.99 with the $2 digital. I just love this product. And then just to show you 5, 2, and 2, the code WAG10, because all of the items were sales priced, I could not get it to apply. Maybe you will have better luck than I. And then just to show you guys, the total is $19.97, $9 in manufacturer's melting off. With your debit card, you're paying $12.17. That includes the tax. And then you're getting back $10 for the buy 10, spend 10, earn 10, that booster. Really hard to say as well. Remember, if you're doing it with that booster, you got to use your debit card. If you just want to buy this stuff on its own, you can use up to $10 of Walgreens cash if you do not have a booster to use, just to get some cheap stuff. The next deal, again, we're looking at using the 10 back when you spend 10 booster. This is also of a one-time use, so if you've already used it, you can only use it the one time, and not every card got it. Like my personal card didn't get it, but my husband's did, so go figure that one out. For this one, we are throwing in a bunch of the buy one, get one free candies that include 2 bags of the peanut M&Ms. Back in my day, this was my poison of choice. I loved the peanut M&Ms. It was just like top tier candy. And then we're also throwing in 2 of the Hershey's Kisses. If you do those peanut butter blossom cookies, another favorite I used to eat, you know, definitely toss that into the mix. Why not? So we have 4 bags of candy. You can use the code WAG10 for this for $1.40 off. So that's a little bit of savings. So our subtotal here is $13.98, $1.40 melting off. You're still at that $10 threshold for the buy 10 or spend 10 to earn 10. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $12.58 and get back $10 in Walgreens cash, which is really a smart deal, especially if you're a baker. Now, alternatively, if you don't have the booster of you know, spend 10 to earn 10, just use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $2.58, and call this a deal. Okay, the next one we're looking at is deal number 4. Again, with our friend, this booster that I can't say to save my life, the $10 booster. Is that easier? Man, I'm having a hard time this morning, guys. And for this one, we're going to be grabbing 3 for $15.99, these Coke products. With Thanksgiving next week, I know a lot of us are probably hosting, so, you know, it's busy and hectic and we need beverages. And in Michigan, we have a big recycling fee as well, so your basket might be a little less than mine. And then the 3 for $9 for the Doritos. So we're just going with the nacho ones if this is your favorite one, or grab a mixy match of them, however you wish to do it. Now, just to show you, I was able to use the code WAG10 to save $2.50. Little something right there, better than doing this in store. The overall total is $28.59, $2.50 melting off. So with your debit card, you're paying $26.09, and then you're getting back $10 for the buy 10 to earn $10 register reward. Now, alternatively, if you just wanted to, if you don't have that $10 booster, you can use up to $20 of Walgreens cash, pay $6.09, and then call this a really good deal. Again, that bottle recycling fee, a little high in Michigan, so yours might be different out of pocket than mine. Deal that we're looking at, and this one is a little bit different. Just to load this friend, our $10 booster, and then there's a huge Hello Kitty line with Christmas. This is $24.99, which is still a little bit. I think you can see how I'm lining this up. So it's Hello Kitty and friends around a ceramic tree, I believe. I still haven't seen this one in store, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. And there's a whole bunch of different products at $24.99. I'm hoping they're all still in the store when it's $80 next January, and I'll get them all really cheap. It's my little dream. WAG 10 subtracting $2.50. The overall total for this $24.99. WAG 10. So with that booster, I would have to pay $23.84 with tax on my debit card, and then I'm getting 10 back. So it would make this $12.49, like 50% off for this very adorable like centerpiece for Christmas, or buy it for a Christmas gift, or buy it for a Christmas gift for yourself. It's just so adorable if you love Hello Kitty. That's it for this video, guys. Yesterday's video in store linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.